Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rehman. In this video, we'll learn 4 steps to declutter your digital life. Just like your real life, your digital life needs a cleanup every now and then. It may be easier for us to do things on internet and with digital devices, but our digital lives get more and more messy as we use them more and more. When it comes to email subscription and online accounts, a lot of people don't even know how many accounts they are or how many they have. The very first step is to declutter your phone. Every mobile app these days comes with a lot of notification, but they are not always important. Most of them aren't worth your time. Deactivate all the unnecessary notification. Next is to remove unnecessary applications. Probably there are apps you have never used, like photo editing app or an app to track your habits. Take them away. Free up your space on your cell phone. Next is to take photo away from you to your cloud or external storage device. Free your phone from photos and store them in the cloud. If you don't have a lot of space in cloud storage, you can move your files to your computer. After you have cleaned your phone, next is to declutter your computers or laptops. And the first thing to clean is in your computer is your home screen. The majority of people will have a lot of documents on their home screen. They will also have Excel spreadsheets, photos of their kids and other things. The things that are taking up space on your home screen should be moved to proper folders and the rest should be thrown in trash. Startup apps are those that runs when you start your computer. Make sure to turn off all that apps that are highly impactful, because these are the ones that use up most of processing powers of your computer when it starts up. Next thing to do is to set up a folder structure. Use a folder structure to keep your files in place. Movies are put in movies folders on your hard drive. Songs are stored in song folders, so on and so on. If a simple folder system doesn't work for you, you can make a folder hierarchy instead. Also, just like what you did for a smartphone, back up your photos from your computers to cloud services. You can also move them to different hard drive like USB drive. The very next important thing is to declutter your social media. And the very common but effective advice is to take break from social media. Social media cleansing is a good idea. It may seem impossible, but it is worth giving a try. Take a month off and at least few weeks and look at how your life changes. One treat you can give yourself is you can use social media only on computers or in mobile browsers. Next tip is especially for working professionals, and it is to clean up your email. The first thing you should do is stop getting newsletters. Surely you don't have time to read all the 30 motivational newsletters you have signed up for over time. Choose 2 or 3 good newsletters and stay with them. The next step is to clear your inbox. If there are emails that could be important in the future but aren't urgent, put them in archive. Remove any spam or marketing emails, but make sure you are unsubscribed from them first so you don't get them again and again. So yeah, this was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.